traveling to Kuch Bihar Rajbari, which is really beautiful. Yeah, see behind this background. They are not allowing my GoPro, so I can't shoot over there, but I will shoot some footage from my phone. So let's go. Kuch Bihar is well known for its palaces and royal buildings. Among them, Royal Palace of the Koch Kings called Rajbari. It is also called as the Victor Jubilee Palace. This palace was designed on the model of Buckingham Palace of London. It was built by the famous Koch King Maharaja Nipendra Narayan in 1887 AD. The nearest railway station is the New Koch Bihar railway station, which is 15 to 20 minutes from this beautiful palace, and the closest airport is Koch Bihar Airport, also 35 minutes from here. Entry fee is ₹25 per person and timing is from 10 am to 5 pm. Koch Bihar Rajbari Palace is undoubtedly the best tourist place in the town. The splendid architecture is one of the major reasons for the growing tourism in the town. There is major significance of the palace in our Indian history. This palace shows the acceptance of European idealism of the Koch kings and the fact that they had embraced European culture without denouncing their Indian heritage. According to the list of monuments of national importance in West Bengal, the Koch Bihar Palace is an ASI listed monument. Originally, this palace was 3-storied high, but during the Great Earthquake of 1897, the third floor collapsed. The building of Rajbari covers an area of 4,700 square meters. The length of the palace is 120 meters north to south, and the width east to west 90 meters. At the present time, Koch Bihar Palace has been turned into a museum where travelers can learn about the regal family that once ruled the land of Koch Bihar. Now we are here in Darbar Hall of the palace, and here is the royal symbol of Koch Kingdoms. Darbar Hall has a beautiful metal dome with a cylindrical rear on the top that also acts as a ventilator. The dome is at 124 feet high from the ground level and is built in the traditional Italian Renaissance architecture. The dome is also beautifully curved in step pattern and rests on 4 arches supported by huge Corinthian columns adorned with a lantern on the top. This palace is not only beautiful but also housed a more exquisite beauty. Maharani Gayatri Devi was born here in 1919, leaving for the princely state of Jaipur after getting married. It is believed that she was the most beautiful woman of the world during her time. She also entered politics as a member of Swarajya Party. Here is the statue of famous Maharani Indira Devi, born as in Princess of Baroda state, married to Raja Jitendra Narayan. This is the statue of Her Highness Maharani Suniti Devi, CIE of Koch Bihar state in the year 1902 at London. She was married to Nipendra Narayan, the Maharaja of Koch Bihar in 1878. These are the photographs of Raj period. The first floor has a series of beautiful arcaded verandas with alternately arranged piers in double and single rows. The palace houses over 50 rooms including bedrooms, dressing rooms, billiard room, kitchen, dining hall, dancing hall, library, toshakhana and the ladies gallery. Roofs and walls of some of the rooms are beautifully painted. The top view of the way to Rajbari through the pavement is really beautiful. Well-maintained gardens with surrounding lake is very relaxing. This section of museum witnesses the art objects of novel times. The museum has massive collections of oil paintings, chandeliers, terracotta figures, antiques like clay models of cow with curve, arrows, Patia tinted photographs, and hay and sandstone and laterite sculptures. There is also a tribal gallery that mainly depicts the everyday life of locals. In the evening, I visited famous Madan Mohan temple, which is situated in the heart of the Cooch Behar town. It is constructed by Maharaja Nripendra Narayan. The main deity of this temple is Lord Krishna, who is popularly called Madan Mohan, the Kul Devata of Koch dynasty. The temple also houses other deities like Ma Kali, Ma Tara and Ma Bhavani. On the occasion of Rash Purnima, the traditional On the occasion of Rash Purnima, the traditional Rash Yatra festival is held here. Famous Rash Mela of Cooch Behar is one of the biggest fairs of North Bengal. And this is the best time you can enjoy here.
This is the end of this video. Hope you like this video. Please do like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Let me know if you have any questions in comment sections below. Till then, thank you for watching. Tada.